We put wheels on Model 3s, we put wheels on Model S's and X's. We're putting wheels on a Model Y today. Vorsteiner VFF-112s. We're going with 20 by 10.5 in the rear and 20 by 9 in the front in this really cool dark gunmetal color. They call it carbon graphite. So it's very close to black. It's kind of hard to see details when the wheels are all black. So this is a really good compromise, if you even call it a compromise. First time putting wheels on a Model Y and they came out great. We stayed with a 20-inch setup to keep the driving feel relatively the same, but man, the wheels look so much better than the factory. Carbon graphite finish giving you that dark sporty look without taking away any of the details, and for a pop of color, we went with red lug nuts. Light and strong, and they come with locks to keep your wheels safe.